My video tutorial will provide you with instructions that will help you to get rid of the ransomware called Read, and this ransomware is from the Makeup ransomware family. Well, my video is only for the educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting this ransomware. In the video, I will show you the damaging effect of the ransomware. I will give you some recommendations on how to possibly protect your files. Unfortunately, I cannot help you recover the files, but I can give you some recommendations on how to possibly restore at least some of your data. So before the ransomware's attack, you are able to open any of your files without troubles, but because of some leaks and vulnerabilities, this particular ransomware called Read may be pretty easily injected into the system, and very soon users realize that they can no longer access their data. This Read ransomware, as I said, is from the Makeup ransomware family. So it would encrypt the files and damage the files, and after the encryption it is just impossible to use the data anymore. The ransomware encrypts the files and the files are no longer available. So now you can clearly see the consequences of the ransomware attack. First, the ransomware changes the desktop background. It also reveals this ransom note, and it finally modifies the file names by appending this read extension to them. So it is indeed impossible to use the data. The ransomware then tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file recovery. However, paying the ransom is not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file restoration, so don't waste your money and don't pay the ransom. I recommend you to remove the ransomware with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Go to the page combocleaner.com, download the software, install it, and once it gets installed, start researching the computer. This is the way Combo Cleaner looks like. It is initially in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on this Start Scan button and the software will first of all update its anti-malware database, which is certainly essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. After the anti-malware database has been successfully updated, the software begins scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. At the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of all the threats which were found during the scan. Combo Cleaner, however, does not decrypt files. Its anti-ransomware feature, though, effectively removes the ransomware and it helps to protect the data. But it does not decrypt the data, and there is no any other antivirus which would be able to decrypt these files. Anyway, Combo Cleaner is powerful enough to fully detect and delete this Read ransomware and all other ransomware types of infections. So take your time, wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished by Combo Cleaner and Antivirus. At the end of the scan, you will see the full summary of the threats. You will be able to know their locations on the computer. Some threats, of course, can be removed manually, but I recommend you to consider premium license. This way, you can also request trial to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner. And speaking regarding file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how to possibly recover your data.